An SEO-friendly website must rank on the top of the search engine result page. According to Google, there are over 200 indicators that are used to rank a website. It is essential to have an SEO-friendly website. Implementing a whitehead SEO strategy to your site can improve your search engine presence and get it ranked higher in SERPs. So, the question arises, how do you make a website SEO-friendly? Hello everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share 10 methods that can help you to make your website SEO friendly to get it ranked quickly and easily. Strategy number 1. Perform keyword research. The first thing you need to do is to choose which keywords are appropriate for your website. You can perform keyword research to find out the most profitable keywords with low search volume. The right keyword is directly linked to the success of your campaign because it allows you to increase your website traffic and sales and places your website to the top. Number 2. Link related content. Internal linking helps to build page authority and also helps your readers to navigate easily within your website content. It encourages them to stay on your website longer if you give them more relevant information. Number 3. Optimize your images. Photos and images are a crucial part of your website, but they can be overlooked when it comes to SEO optimization. Some tricks can be easily implemented to have perfectly optimized pages. Number 4. Make URLs SEO friendly. It is essential to have user-friendly URLs even if the URL structure of your website is not your main priority. Keep your URLs easy so that for every page you have a unique URL. Don't forget to add the details. If you don't know how to make an SEO-friendly URL structure, then don't worry. I have covered it for you. The link is in the description below. Fifth is avoid using duplicate content on your website. Make sure that your content is unique because it will affect your website's SEO. Sixth is create an XML sitemap. Sitemap helps the search engine to navigate your website more efficiently. It helps to determine the priority of some particular images. Search engine will find it easy to crawl different web pages. Seventh, make it compatible with all devices. Your website and your content must be optimized for all types of devices that users could use so that they can enjoy a good user experience when consulting it. There are many tools that can help you with the mobile friendliness of your website. Once you have decided which solution between responsiveness and mobile to implement. Method number 8. Use robots.txt. Robots.txt helps to restrict the crawling of search engines from the particular pages. If you want to restrict the access of some particular pages, then set up a robots.txt file for your website. Build strong internal linking, as internal linking helps to navigate users to other pages of your website. It helps to generate traffic to internal pages. Number 9. Use social media. Using social media can help a massive boost to your SEO strategy. With an SEO-friendly web design, you can guide your social media audience to your website. There are several methods for driving traffic to your social media platforms from your website. The majority of them include plugins that you may use on your homepage. The plugin makes a visual of your social networking profile and displays the most recent posting as well as the number of likes. The reverse action is to optimize your website with blog content and share the links on your social media pages. Our last method, create a simple page structure and navigation. A good website should be well organized and easy to use. Go for descriptive and straightforward web designs so that users as well as search engine spiders can easily crawl through your website. It is recommended to place navigation at the top of the site. Well, SEO-friendly websites get more traffic and a high ranking on SERP. Following these SEO strategies will surely help you to achieve your online marketing goals. So which method do you like the most? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to know how you can promote your SEO-friendly websites to get more customers, watch my video. Link is in the description below. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.